Hi, I'm Milton Rendell and welcome to Real News Friday. Another interesting week. Sales were up, 909 sales in the last week in West Australia, through these figures coming from the Real Estate Institute of West Australia, which is a trend of up about 5.2% on the previous week. So we seem to be maintaining these relatively good numbers in terms of sales. Now, in terms of stock levels are at 8,364. That's up about 3.7% on what it was previously. Still down 15.5% on what it was 12 months ago. So we're still maintaining a similar sort of market. In terms of rentals, out there at the moment there's 1,933 rentals available, and there'll still be a small adjustment during this sort of period around Christmas. Can happen. The amount of rentals is up about 9% on what it was a month ago, but still down about 14% to what it was a year ago. So we've still got this trend of both sales and rentals being quite popular. We've recently had a number of people still viewing properties. We had a apartment open the other day and we had about 30 people registered to see and 18 visited, so the numbers are still there. In terms of rentals, I think going forward into 2023, I think and same for sales, I think from January to probably March is going to be one of the most interesting quarters we've experienced for some time. The lag or the catch up of the influence of interest rates will certainly probably start to appear. We'll see if that's an ugly thing or whatever, but we'll see adjustments. We will see some buyers drop out of the market. It'll be interesting to see how many houses are completed by builders, and those houses that are being completed, whether they go into the market for sale, because I believe there'll be a few that are committed to buying or building probably 18 months ago when the interest rates were lower, and will be in a bit of mortgage shock once it gets to that period. So between January to March, or sort of the beginning of April, I think we're going to see a slightly different market, one where it probably stops and has a look. Don't get me wrong, houses are still selling, inquiries still there, but I just think there's going to be some other little influences that we haven't seen for some time. Anyway, we'll see what happens. In the meantime, if you are thinking about selling or buying or looking for a property manager to manage your property, please give our team a call at Real Estate Plus and check out realestateplus.com.au.